Autonomous emergency braking (AEB) detects objects in your vehicle's path and alerts you to an imminent crash with warning times and visual alerts on the dashboard. AEB will also apply the brakes automatically if the situation becomes critical and the driver doesn't respond. There are 4 main types of AEB systems. AEB car-to-car systems use sensors to detect the presence of a potential hazard in front of the vehicle. Vulnerable road users AEB can detect other road users, like cyclists, pedestrians and motorcyclists, to avoid collisions. Junction Assist AEB operates to prevent collisions when a vehicle is turning across an intersection. Backover AEB detects pedestrians and vehicles while the car is in reverse to prevent a backover collision. Advanced technologies such as autonomous emergency braking can help you avoid, or reduce the impacts of a crash.